A pre-owned 2012 Ford F-250 Super Duty. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine with four-wheel drive and a transmission. This Ford has less than 189,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, power steering, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, stability control, traction control, CD player, and cruise control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.